From streamlining processes and enhancing productivity, artificial intelligence technology is paving the way for personalized and adaptive learning experiences. In fact, AI algorithms can analyze individual learning patterns and preferences to deliver tailored training and development programs. By identifying knowledge gaps and recommending relevant resources, AI-powered learning systems help employees acquire new skills and knowledge at their own pace. This personalized approach not only increases the effectiveness of training but also boosts employee performance and job satisfaction. Thank you for watching. Please select the links in the video description to find additional workplace applications of artificial intelligence technology. And don't forget to subscribe to our AI Tools and News channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If you know of a great AI product or tool, please subscribe and comment below. If you are an AI tools developer, please visit pampermenetwork.com and submit your free listing. Bye for now.